Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. Just an update on this plane. So as you can see, I've restored most of it. I've repaired the front nose cowling. There's some fiberglass that I put in there. Just got to fix that little area in the middle, but I don't think I really need to do so because when the prop cone goes on, you're not seeing it. So I won't fix that. As you can see here, I put the doubler plate on it, which gives it a little bit more strength. Also keeps the battery from sliding forward. And before I cover it, I want to make sure that the battery will actually stay in here better, more so. And maybe just add a pinch of weight to the nose itself. I know that the prop will be going back on soon and everything like that. Before I slide the cowling back on and screw everything together, I also got to make the plexiglass again, because the old plexiglass, this was the plexi that went on there, and it smashed up, it cracked, so I think I'll have to make a new one. Also, this one here cracked also, but I don't think I really need to do anything with it. I think if I put some clear tape, boxing tape on it, it'll fix that up right away. Monocoat this, monocoat here. So what I'll do is I'll monocoat all this in the cream color, and then up here I'll cover it. Here I'll cover it in red, and that's how that'll go. But yep, everything's glued back together, nice. Pretty peached together. I was also able to work on the wing root. So this rib here was cracked in half. This rib here was cracked right here. And then this one here was cracked also. So I put doublers on it, strengthened it up, and then now all I have to do is patch it and patch the other side. As you can see, right there, as you can see, probably, there it is. It cracked right there, so I'll put some extra glue in there and make sure that it's not gonna break anytime soon. But that's about it. I won't be working on this plane for a little while because it's too hot in here. It's been getting very hot today. Right now this room is up to 90 degrees even with the AC full blast. So, but plane's back together. Looks pretty structural sound right now. I'll get the prop, the motor back in, prop back on, and then after I'm done covering it, but I will cover it first. So, all right guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out.